So you just purchased your heat press. What next? Transfers. You want to get transfers. If you don't have a Cricut or one of those other devices to make your stuff at home, you need heat transfer companies. In my series of videos, I'm going to be telling you about 7 or 8 different transfer companies where you can get free samples and test out their products. We'll learn more about it after this intro. Alright, today we're going to be reviewing VersaTrans. And this is the sample pack that they sent to me. It had way more than 10 transfers in here that you could transfer on. I did do 2 sample transfers, and you'll see how they came out after we go through the sample pack. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when you open it up, nice little pack that they have laid out for you. They do tell you that they do gang sheets and free proofs and everything. 1-day turnaround is what they're claiming. I've not ordered from them outside of the sample pack, so I can't say if that's true or not. But I will say that the sample pack is very robust, I should say, because they give you a lot of different samples in here from a whole gambit of colors. So let's go ahead and go through it. Like every sample pack before this one, they give you what you're supposed to press, peel, and how long. Okay, so that's a great benefit there, which everybody pretty much does, because they know that you need help on what you should be doing. This is another transfer that they have included in the pack. Separate instructions for different transfers, which is great because everybody needs to know how to do it. Another transfer, this is a metallic one. Then they give you just more transfers so that you can try out all of the different options that they have for transfers. Okay, this is what I was talking about as far as with the sample pack. This is very cool. I thought it was very cool that they gave you a sample pack with all of their different colors that they offer. So you can actually see how it looks when it's pressed onto a shirt and not just online or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool. They also give you a pricing sheet, which is very cool because some of the packages did not do that, but they did because they want you to order their stuff right away, I guess. But that was pretty cool that they offered you the pricing sheet for their stuff, and you can also look online to see what the prices are as well. Like I said, I've not ordered anything from them directly, so I am not sure as to what all the prices are entailing or anything like that. What's their lead time on getting the items to you? So if you like it, you can go ahead and try them out, but definitely order the sample pack. Well worth it. It was free. Doesn't cost you anything to get the sample pack. So go ahead and try out the sample pack to see if you like some of the stuff. Now I'm going to move on to the shirt that I pressed with 2 samples that I had. As you can see, one came out and one did not. Now, I will say that this shirt has been washed. However, this particular sample right here that is barely kind of showing, it transferred onto the shirt like this. So, I'm not real sure what happened. Maybe it was me, but I did this one successfully. This one did not come out successful. So I'm not sure, but I'm just here to show you results so that you can see that this one definitely came out. It feels good. Everything is good. But this one here did not come out appropriately. This shirt has been washed, I would say, at least 5 times, no more than 10. Just to get a feel of how it would hold up. So this one, like I said, came out pretty good. This one did not. I'll let you be the judge. And like I said, the sample pack is free, so you can test it out yourself and see if it comes out the way it was supposed to come out. Well, if you made it this far, that means I did a good job with the video. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you feel like the content is something you want to see in the future, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification. That way you'll know when I post videos. Here at About Time, we like moving in time with time, so we hope you do the same. Have a great day.